there's a new health trend on the market, everything from fad diets to anti-aging treatments. But have you ever wondered how many of them really work? Right now, we're bringing you our top 10 health trends of 2009, helping you decide if they're right for you. If you're one of the millions of people out there, you're addicted to smoking, there may finally be some hope for you with our number 9 health trend. It's the electronic cigarette. You know, it gives you nicotine, but it doesn't give you any of the other 4,000 chemicals that can cause cancer, among other problems. You charge it, you put it in a cartridge, and it creates a vapor. Looks a lot like smoke. It's $150 for a starter kit, $5 to $10 for the replacement cartridges, and it looks like you're smoking.
You know, for some people, this may be a big help to get them to quit smoking. I mean, we don't want to get people on nicotine. That's not good either. That constricts your blood vessels.
Yeah, that's what leads to all the heart disease.
Right.
It's a lot better than consuming all that tar and charcoal and
Carbon monoxide, all the other stuff that's in the smoke. This won't have it.
Important to note, Drew, as you take a puff.
Wow.
It's so realistic, but that's actually water vapor that you're seeing come out there. So Drew is getting some nicotine.
I need the machine and the cigar.
Yeah.
So there is a cigarette version as well. It's only available in England. It's not FDA approved, although they expect it'll be here at some point. But you can take a cigarette and do the same thing.
What does it taste like?
It's sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah?
Try it.
I don't know.
Don't inhale, Travis.
I have to tell you, it has a very interesting taste.
You're going to have lipstick on your lips
I
now,
know,
buddy.
sorry.
But,
Oh, that
but
one
there
is sweet.
Now that's...
Ooh, it's like hot in here now, isn't it? It's just like, wow.
So we're up here trying this, having some fun with it, but we actually wanted to put this electronic cigarette to the test to see if it could really help someone who needs to kick the habit. Beverly's been a smoker for 15 years. She agreed to give this electronic cigarette a try.
I've been smoking for 15+ years, tried to give up many times. The only time I did give up was when I was pregnant with my little girl, but I started smoking again as soon as I've had her. So I would really like to find a way to give up smoking, so I'm going to be around for her for the rest of her life. So any ideas you have to help me give up, I'm up for it. So they've given me my electronic cigarette. Apparently it's going to be much better for me. No tar, no chemicals, just a small hit of nicotine to help me quit. Let's try it. You know what? Not bad.
Beverly is here in our audience. Beverly, thank you for trying this out. So you've got 4 non-smokers up here trying this out, having some fun with it, but you're really thinking about trying to give up cigarettes.
Yeah, and it was a little, at first I was a little suspicious because it's quite heavy and it's metal. And the first day I cheated a little and had regular cigarettes too. But the second day I just smoked the electronic cigarette, and I have to say I am convinced it's very good. It's a great alternative. It still gives you the action of smoking. It's still, you inhale, you blow out. It's not like a patch or chewing gum, which is something completely different. So I would, as a smoker, recommend it to smokers that are trying to give up.
And you
most
did feel
definitely.
the nicotine effect.
You know, when you need a cigarette, when you're craving a cigarette, it definitely helped with the craving, and it was very satisfactory. I didn't need to have anything else.
And at this point, you're not smoking real cigarettes?
No,
You're
just my
doing
electronic cigarette.
Yeah.
Important to note, though, that we're not promoting these at all for people to use who aren't smokers. We're only saying that this is a potential remedy, likely available in the U.S. in the next year or so, but don't go out and buy these and start smoking them for fun.
No.
Because nicotine has a lot of problems in and of itself, correct?
That's not the message.
That is not the message.